Dowsing is an art and a skill that can be learned by anyone of almost any age to find hidden information to make better decisions for yourself and your loved ones. Please use all this information at your own risk. Thank you. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Emotions Whisperer. This video is going to show you how to dowse to help you vote for specific candidates. Sometimes we just don't know who to vote for. I mean, other times you do have a sort of a resonance and it's like, oh yeah, this person's going to be really good. But for example, here in Arizona, we had 27 judges to vote for. I don't know any of these judges, thank goodness. And I didn't know to vote to retain them or no, so I just went through and dowsed. And for those of you who are not familiar with dowsing, it's just a simple way to connect into the energy of any person, place, thing, vitamins, supplements, yourself, and just ask questions that require a yes or no answer. And then you can make decisions on what to do next based on your dowsing. Takes a little bit of practice to get really good at it, but you are worth it, and it will give you a gift and open up your life and your intuition into the most amazing and wonderful ways. There's nothing magic and weird about it. It's been used for thousands of years, mostly to find water or minerals in the ground and such, but you can use it for so many other things as well. So here's what I did. I just looked at my ballot of judges, or you can look at your booklet full of judges or whoever you're not sure about voting for. And I just focused on each judge one at a time. And like say the first one is Joe Smith. And I just focused on his name. And I just asked, is this judge, Joe Smith, if I vote yes to retain him, will he serve this community here in Maricopa County in the highest integrity for the best and the good of everyone involved? And I got a yes on him. And then there was another judge that I asked a similar question. Will he serve in the best and highest integrity for the good of everyone involved, especially those people who are accused of crimes and have to stand in front of this judge in court? Will he be honest and fair? And I got a no, so I voted no on that judge. And you can do that for political candidates. You can ask for propositions, like, if I vote yes for this proposition to vote it in, will this proposition be for the highest and best good of my community here in Arizona? Yes. Or you could ask, will this particular proposition be for the highest and best good of corporations instead of the voters and the people of this community? Well, then you might want to vote no. So it's simple, it's easy, you can do it. If you're not sure about dowsing but you've been thinking you want to get started, please check out my website, emorescue.com. On the home page, you can sign up for my newsletter and you will get 10 free chapters in my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, so you could check it out. It's got the whole table of contents. It's on Amazon. It's very affordable. And you can learn dowsing, and the biggest thing that ruins people's ability for accurate dowsing is their fear. Fear, they don't want to really hear what the answer is, or they're afraid they're going to get the wrong answer. There's all these fears. I have worked with people all over the world to help them with their dowsing skills, and I put all the information into a book for you. There's also a ton of healing books, free videos, articles, and other free ebooks available on my website, emorescue.com. Thank you for watching. Happy voting. Peace out. When you learn to dowse, the universal wisdom is yours for the asking. Please check out my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, and any of my self-healing books, all available and very affordable on Amazon. Thank you.